You got to prepare for them. You got to play fast, try to get those guys tired.
Russell looked like a different guy after that performance.
I mean, it's been I guess you can say so. I mean, it's just been the part that just getting him started. I think he's been running well. He just haven't got those plays that hit for big yards, which, it's great to get him going early. When he get going early, it take a lot of pressure off everybody. Wendell don't have to do as much, take a lot more off Skyler. So, and that's what we want going this season, get both of those guys going, because when they both going, it's a tandem. It's hard to stop.
Dana said they send guys from everywhere, and you were talking about the blitz a little bit. Are they blitzing a lot against the run specifically, or is it mainly against the pass?
It doesn't matter. I mean, on every play, somebody's coming. If they're 3 down, you better prepare for a 4th, 5th guy coming. If they're 4 down, somebody's coming. Whether it's the corner, a Mike, the safety. I mean, they bring them from all over the field. And they can do that because they feel good playing man, and they got a lot of confidence, a bunch of young guys out there. And, we got to take our shots, and we got to connect on some of those, which we haven't done the last few games. So, playing against us, I'll come try my luck. Load the box, stop the run, and see if them guys outside can win.
You said last week that you kind of challenged the guys. There's no reason not to run for 300 against that team. What are you saying this week?
That's our makeup. It doesn't matter. We for us to win, we got to be successful running the ball. We right now, until we get to the point where we can go win shootouts, we're a team. We need to win on first down. I tell them all the time about winning on first down. We need to gain 4 or 5 yards, on first down to give ourselves a chance in second and third down, so we're not in third and long. Because we're not as good at third and long. Anybody in the country is not good at third and long, especially for a team like Texas and the other teams you're going to play in the Big 12, because everybody got guys that can rush the passer.
Impressed you even more that teams are able to watch film now and see that this is what you guys want to do, and you're still able to kind of have your way against Texas Tech?
Well, that was the big thing. You always talk about how you can improve. I'm talking to Dan, he never had a 4-minute offense. Well, we went and took 6.5 minutes off the clock and they put the game away. So the things you're trying to build on to become a championship team, because you need to be in those situations. You go back and look a year before, we get a first down, we win a game or two more than we should have, more than we should have last year. So being able to understand those situations, see them to come to light, it's been encouraging going forward.
Seems like not that long ago we were talking about Wendell being the guy that's used in the passing game more so than maybe the running game, but it seems like now he's exclusively running with a little bit of passing. Has that changed a little bit?
It has, because he's too valuable not to keep in the backfield, to kill and squirt, good enough to play in the slot. It's what we needed, because we didn't have a lot of depth in the backfield, so he's better keeping him fresh and letting him run on people, and he's really became a really good running back, and I credit, Mike Joseph with what he done with him in the offseason. I credit Wendell how hard he pushed himself in the offseason. He reaping the benefit for how hard he worked in the offseason.
I know you were a great quarterback. I mean, you worked with a lot of quarterbacks. How good is Skyler at the unseen stuff with getting you guys in the right play, making sure it's going to the right side, checking out if he needs to, among guys you've worked with?
Well, that's the part of being a quarterback that's the most overlooked thing. Sometimes we get so caught up in making every throw and and making every run, but it's also been to make that right run and check to get Wendell and Russell in the right run that can create a big play on third down. People playing cover 2 where you got a pass play on, being smart enough to know it's time to check and run the ball inside, to pick up plays like that. So that's very valuable. To play quarterback, you got to be smart. I mean, you can't be a kid who, can't get the formation in, can't get the right check in. You just can't.
Earning a win over Texas, no matter what the record looked like, still has the same type of meaning as ever?
No question. I mean, for us, we lost the last 2 against them. So, I mean, we can take it how we want to take it. It's a big game for us. We're not there yet. And I'm sure I know Charlie well. He got recruited me out of high school in Florida. His motto was, let's go win these games. We got a chance to go be bowl eligible. We got a chance to be just as good as we were last year when everybody was doubting us playing a bunch of young kids. So I'm sure he's using this to advantage. And they think they're better than West Virginia. And rightfully so. Texas, everything big in Texas, so they taking that motto. So, and I guarantee you that's the mindset of those guys. So he's trying to motivate them to come up here and be spirited, to come in and try to steal a win.
As you were just saying, he's got a Florida background. Is it been impressive the way he's been able to pull kids from Florida to still play at Texas?
Yeah, I mean, you got to go where you comfortable at, and where you got relationships at. He haven't taken a lot, but he got a couple. And anytime you can get you a couple Florida kids, because they so untapped and they potential to get better is long term over Texas kids, because sometimes the Texas kids so far coached that way they don't grow no more. And I'm biased. I'm from Florida. I think that's the best state in the world when it comes to producing talent. So, and that's what he's doing. And you can see it. You can see the toughness in the Texas kid right now, just the way Charlie's probably grinding those guys to be mental tough. They ain't there yet, but they getting close. I mean, You turn that film on and watch them on defense, they're pretty good.